Sanbonan. Another video to expose myself, another video to expose my past and even the present. I also expose even the present. So ngiya-expose ngendaba yokuthi nginenkinga yokuthi ngilala ngiphupha ngilala nabantu engingabazi, nga-expose leyo nto. It became much better. And then so ngiyakholelwa ukuthi njalo uma expose into embi iyaphelelwa ngamandla. Mufuna ukuthi iphelele ngamandla, istophe, engcono ngiyisho leyo nto iphelelwe ngamandla, ingabe sayenzeka. Usho ukuthi ke noma istopa igcina iza ngezinye izindlela. So ngizoqhubeka futhi ngisho lezo zinye izindlela esezivelile. So manje ke after ke kube ukuthi ngiphuphe mina ngibonisa isitho sami sangezansi, ngikhombisa omunye umuntu wesifazane. Ngakusho lokho ku video and then angisaphinda ngiphupha kanjalo futhi. And then namhlanje ngoba kuzovuka nje namhlanje 7 November 2025. Ngivuke ngiphupha lapha ngasakhumbula ukuthi bekumuntu wesilisa noma bekumuntu wesifazane. And then enza lokho kubiza kuthiwa yini yesilungu, angazi noma ngizobe ngisho kahle nakhona nangesilungu, kodwa nje ube umuntu olika ngaphansi kwangezansi kwami. Yeah. So at every time ngenkathi ngisa expose lezo zinto zengihlupha, angazi kahle kusuka kwenzakalani, but I believe ukuthi it's an attack. I believe ukuthi the devil is attacking me. That's the thing. The devil is attacking me surely. So I don't know ukuthi what's the problem with this about sex. I don't know what's the problem about sex. I know khona ngaqala ukuba sexually active at the age of 10. And then ngaba privileged beza esikolweni bazofundisa abantu babebuya ngaphesheya babesuka eDenmark. But befundisa, I took the lesson, I took the advice. I stopped having sex at the age of 14. So I really don't know. Is there an altar? Ngoba ngeke ngayibuza ku video yami before ukuthi is there an altar now that is performed against me about sex? Does this devil still want me to sleep around? Just sleep around? Because this thing also came getting maybe between 2020 and 2021. It came ukuthi ngizizwa ngifuna ukujola kodwa ngishadile nginendoda. Ngizizwa ngifuna ukujola. I remember lo bhuti lo owase ATA, Alexander Tax Association. I remember that lo bhuti owayengishela vele ngase ngimfakele enhlizweni. And then kwayinhlanhla ukuthi ngiphume khona. Agcina singasajola ngamtshela ukuthi hayi lento kade sifuna ukuyenza yimbi. Yeah. And then ngishela nje wayesazi umyeni wami. So I don't know what is it. Kodwa again ngiyacabanga ukuthi maybe the devil wants me to continue having sex, sleeping around. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi usathane kunomoya ngaphakathi kwami ofuna nje ngilale. It's unfortunate that I tried to ask my mom ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani ekukhuleni kwakhe. Then we started had a misunderstanding, so I had to stop and then continue. Mama uyongcela ungivezela ukuthi kwenzakalani. have to continue expose myself until I learn ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani, because endabeni zocansi really kuyinkinga. At least ukungcono uma kufika ngikwazi ukulwa nako. Endabeni zocansi kuyinkinga. So leli phupho engiliphuphe namhlanje ukuthi bekhona umuntu olikha ngaphansi kwelokhunjana on my vagina in my dreams. I don't know, just that I'm trying to find out ukuthi bengumuntu wesilisa noma bengumuntu wesifazane. I forgot, but ngiyacabanga bengumuntu wesilisa. Yeah, and then bese kuba yilo kunjani ukuthi ngenkathi elikha sokungcolile, engazi ukuthi kunamanzi angcolile, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela. Kodwa ke I'll keep on exposing, because njalo uma expose these things stop, but kuza futhi in another way. Lento le ifuna ngize ngikhathale, but manje ngiyasaba because indabeni zocansi, yeah, according to the way ngistarta ngakhona ila ongintshontshwa khona ubumina. So lokho sokwantshontshwa, I don't know ukuthi whether it's coming back, it's gonna come back or kwenzakalani, because ngifica kuba ngumuntu kube nzima ukwenza izinto ngoba ngangisho ukuthi kwakunzima ngisho ukuthi ngifunde i-driving, ngizizwe nje ngingayifuni i-driving. But when I'm walking, I miss that opportunity ukuthi hey mom, when I'm walking like this, when it's hot, I'm walking, I should be driving, and where I'm going is far. Yes, sometimes you request, but sometimes if it's a short distance, don't need to request, or if you don't have money, you have to walk, so it's tiring. So those are the things ukuthi what's going on ngendaba le yocansi. What's going on? What are you up to, devil? What are you up to? Ngangasho ngelilanga ngiphupha no not ukuthi ngaqala ngephupho ke ngathandaza ngathi umoya ongcwele mawungihole, Holy Spirit lead me when I was praying. So when I was praying, I had myself saying, devil, I resign from working for you. Asho kanjalo. In that same night, the devil came in a form of a man. And the reason why he came, because ngaba nokwesaba ephusheni, ngangastrugglisha ukuvuka. The only person or the only being that is able ukungihlasela ngilele is the devil. It's the devil either coming himself or asebenzise whoever is available. Yakwazi futhi nokungisebenzisa nami ngoba nginenkinga indaba yocansi kanje ukuthi at the age of 10 I was sexually active. Angidlengulwanga mina, I was sexually active. Ngayiqalela nje ucansi. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll continue exposing. Bye.